Yeah, yeah. Trey 600, oh. 3600, Trey 600, oh. 3600.
Pecan, nigga. I got pecan tree in the front yard. I picked up all these goddamn pecans, passed them out. Y'all kids, selfish. Trey got me cracking up. Nah, real talk. Take the pecans and run. But we used to have good days. The most important thing I miss about Halloween is my kids, them 5 boys. Shit. They'll leave and come back 2 or 3 times, man, in that day, man. I'm talking about, daddy. The older ones, they got smart, man. I daddy. But I got to. It's mandatory. I gotta make sure ain't nothing in there. I ain't put no poison candy in there. Ain't no they can put they put needles inside the goddamn chewing gum, y'all. They do that. Yeah, give me that plant. Let me check that shit. See, the ones you can get the better ones, the smaller ones. They show, goddamn. What do you say, Daddy? Daddy, you haven't checked mine yet. Okay, give me that. And they got big sacks. I miss that. That's what I miss about Halloween, man. We hitting the malls, hitting the nice neighborhoods for the candy and shit, where you can just get out and just walk the whole block, the circle, the daddy out, man. To everybody's house out there, they got shit in the front. Ah, damn. My kids say, Daddy, can we? Yeah, let's go to. They got. How you know? You ain't never been over here. They were my friend, mama, them stay at over here. That was shit. You don't even know what. That's why you don't never see your friend. Shit, this motherfucker stepping here. Shit, I said, okay, man, but it's beautiful. And they just know, Daddy gonna take all the chocolates. I'm just, hey, I'm gonna say y'all something. But you know what's gonna be missing? The chocolate and the sweet tarts. Oh yeah, I need the sweet tarts. Don't all sweet tarts go and all chocolate. Yeah. But be safe, man, on Halloween, man. Let's go.